Welcome to the new Nadex platform overview. In this video, we'll give you a brief walkthrough of our new platform. Let's get started. This is what you'll see when you log into the new platform. You'll notice a navigation window on the left-hand side where you can select any of the markets or products you want to trade on Nadex. Selecting a product from the menu will show you all the available market classes for that product. Clicking into a market class will show you all currently available markets and expiration choices. From there, clicking on an expiration will show you all strike prices for contracts expiring at that time. Clicking on a strike price will bring up the corresponding chart and order ticket. You can always change your selected strike either from the left-hand menu or from the chart itself. All of your charting options, like indicators, drawing tools, and chart types, will be shown across the top left corner of the chart. Alternatively, right-clicking on the body of the chart will bring up a menu where you can access all these same features. Once you've chosen your selected contract and direction, you can place your order from the order ticket on the right side of your screen. On the order ticket, you can change your order type, price, and the number of contracts you want to buy or sell. Notice that the risk reward for this order is calculated on the ticket, with the maximum potential loss and maximum potential profit displayed before you place your order, excluding exchange fees. When you're ready, click Place Order. Any order you've placed that has not yet been filled will show up in the Orders tab at the bottom of the platform. Once an order has been executed, it will appear as an open position in the Positions tab. By clicking on an open position, you'll bring up an order ticket pre-populated with the opposite side of the trade, allowing you to quickly exit your position if desired. Clicking on a working order that hasn't yet been filled will open a ticket that will allow you to delete or amend the order. The History tab will show your 24-hour order history. Clicking on the double arrow symbol on any of the panels will hide it for you. Click the Settings button in the bottom left-hand corner to access or change any of your trade settings like your tolerance levels, your default order type, or your default contract size. To see any of your account information, click on the Account tab in the top right corner. If you'd like to leave us any feedback, you can do so in the Account section, or you can click the Feedback button on the bottom left-hand panel. All feedback is greatly appreciated as we plan on continuously updating the platform and adding features to create the best possible trading experience. If you'd like more detail on any of the features you've seen in this video, please watch one of our on-demand webinars under Archive in the Webinars section of our website, or watch one of our platform tutorials in the Learning section of our website.